What up, Journey's family? Welcome back to my channel. We are going to do a surprise today. So you guys are going to see what we got, okay? It's a surprise. Oh dear, it's heavy.
What'd you get for Christmas?
A Barbie Dreamhouse. A new one.
From what I could tell, this is the brand new 2023 new model Barbie Dreamhouse. So hot off the presses, sort of.
Yes.
We're gonna build it and show you guys all the really cool stuff inside. But before we get started,
subscribe to my channel and give us a big thumbs up. Let's get to it.
you can see it is almost as big as she is.
Guys, this is gonna take us forever.
Just cut all the tape everywhere.
We're just gonna fast forward. We'll see you guys in a few seconds. Oh my gosh. How do you open it?
Some other way.
So,
Whoa.
this is so big. Oh my gosh.
Look at all this stuff. This is going to take a year to put together.
A year, literal year.
No. Well, let's get going. Stickers!
Oh no!
So many
We don't like stickers. We don't like stickers.
So many stickers. Gosh, this is going to be huge.
Yeah, chow.
Absolutely ginormous.
Ginormous.
Right. It does come with an instruction manual. It seems a little bit thin for the amount of pieces we have here. So I guess let's see what we're supposed to do. Number one is the kitchen, apparently, which we have right here. The kitchen.
It's gonna take forever to
Which
build.
is also housing the outdoor pool toys as well. Apparently we will be able to build this lovely dream house in only 17 steps. We have like 800 pieces, 17 steps. Okay. Step 2. Okay. Step 3. We need the kitchen. The door. And a bookshelf. Oh, but we gotta do stickers first. We are doing the kitchen stickers, and there's a lot that go on the kitchen. I already did one sticker. Also have to do some stickers on this bookshelf looking thing.
Because it is.
Now, step 4. I will say that the stickers are quite sturdy, so that if you don't like where you place it, as long as you don't push it all the way down, it's easy to pull it back up and try again.
1 hour later.
These are the accessories. There's a milk bottle, 4 cups, 3 hangers, the utensils, these spatula thingies, toothbrushes, hairbrush, 2 drinks, dog bowl, dog treat, so 4 plates, no 5 plates, treats, cupcakes, a drink, an egg, and a puppy. Come see the house with us. Here's the front of the house.
Knock, knock.
Who's there? A little doggy way, and then a person way. We got tons of stuff in the freezer.
The oven light turns on. And then it counts down for us. Some accessories, table, chairs, right there by the door. And then we have a little living room area, fireplace, TV, chair, plants.
Bedroom.
Upstairs is the bedroom, the closet,
Closet. Not closet, closet.
and the bathroom.
Shower.
Shower, and the door opens, flushes, the sink
No, it's a dog bath.
has
An elevator.
elevator.
Guys, look how big it is compared to me.
The dog has a spot in the elevator too. Open the door. It's already on the 3rd floor, where we've got a little party area, TV, couch, table, some fun lights, palm tree, a little play area for the puppy, the dog house,
Dog bed.
cute little dog bed, and then this humongous slide.
That was so quick. Now let me do the doll. The doll's turn. It's a mascot. Don't see the face. I need to push her.
She was having some trouble
Hi guys.
in that little outfit.
I'm a mascot. Here's the big person pool. And this is a pool for doggies. And there's a little doggy slide and a human slide.
And we've got a nice big chair that can either go here or
let her swing
inside
in
the
it.
house.
Let her swing in it.
Does she fit?
There.
That is the new Barbie Dreamhouse.
See you guys later. Bye.